Welcome to Shenzhen Hongshi Industrial Co Limited, which has developed into audio and video transmission system. Multifunctional HDTV extension research and development and production as one of the leading strategic industry companies. We currently operate our own brand, and we can offer OEM and ODM service. We have a professional R&D team. Our engineers have many years of experience in wireless, network, and video products, leading independent core technologies. Quality reflects the quality of a company. The connotation of quality, the lifeblood of the company. Our strict quality control system is ensuring a high-quality standard. We are also developing professional marketing and technical support teams, with a view to the rapid development and diversification of customer and market needs. And our technical support team and customer service team will ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products are sold to all over the world and widely used in communications, subway, exhibition, security, multimedia, and other fields. In the past 10 years, through the continuous provision of quality products and services to customers, we have been recognized and highly praised by our customers. We are confident to develop more quality products for customer. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer center about your requirements. Our professional team will work with you closely. Welcome to visit us in the future.